Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. I just purchased this beautiful purse, Dasein, off of Amazon. I love the color. It has a nice shoulder strap. You can unlock it. You have a section in this side. It has a nice clasp. Really roomy. A nice zipper part in the middle. And it also comes with this little satchel. I keep my tissues and everything in here. There's also a little extra compartment. It's a zipper part. And then you can close this up. You can carry this bag either in your hand or over your shoulder. That's what I like about it. And I like the look. Very pretty. That's the back. The underneath. So if you're looking for a nice purse, this is the purse to check out on Amazon.